Join me as I dive into the future and explore whether AI will really steal our jobs by 2025. The topic of AI's impact on the job market by 2025 is one that's been on everyone's mind lately, and for good reason. The potential consequences are huge, and it's an issue that affects us all, regardless of our profession or industry. There's a growing fear that AI automation will lead to widespread job loss, and it's easy to see why. We've already seen machines and algorithms take over certain tasks, and it's natural to wonder if our own jobs will be next. But which sectors are most at risk? Well, according to some experts, it's the ones that involve repetitive or routine tasks, like manufacturing, data entry, and even customer service. These are the kinds of jobs that can be easily automated, and it's not hard to imagine a future where machines do them instead of humans. Another area of concern is transportation. With the rise of self-driving cars and trucks, will we still need human drivers? The fear is that AI will not only replace human workers but also displace them, leaving them without a steady income or a sense of purpose. And it's not just blue-collar workers who are at risk, even white-collar professions like law, medicine, and finance could be affected. The thought of AI taking over these industries is unsettling, to say the least. But on the other hand, some argue that AI will create new jobs and opportunities that we can't even imagine yet. For example, the development and maintenance of AI systems themselves will require a whole new workforce of skilled professionals. And let's not forget about the new industries that will emerge as a result of AI, industries that we can't even predict yet. There are many different viewpoints on how AI will affect the job market, and it's hard to say which one is correct. Some experts believe that AI will augment human capabilities, making us more productive and efficient, while others think it will replace us altogether. One thing is for sure, though, AI is going to change the way we work, and it's up to us to adapt. According to a report by the McKinsey Global Institute, by 2025, up to 800 million jobs could be lost worldwide due to automation, but in the same report, they also predict that up to 140 million new jobs will be created. So, the question is, will the benefits of AI outweigh the costs, or will we see widespread job loss and instability? One expert who's particularly pessimistic about the impact of AI is Elon Musk, who believes that AI could pose an existential risk to humanity if not handled carefully. He's even gone so far as to say that AI could be the cause of World War III. That's a pretty dire prediction, and it's hard to ignore the warning signs. But others are more optimistic, like Kai-Fu Lee, a venture capitalist and AI expert, who believes that AI will create new opportunities for workers, especially in areas like education and healthcare. He thinks that AI will enable us to focus on more creative and high-value tasks, making our lives easier and more fulfilling. So, what's the verdict? Will AI steal our jobs by 2025? The answer is, it's complicated. While AI will certainly disrupt the job market, it's unlikely to replace human workers entirely. What's more likely is that AI will change the nature of work, forcing us to adapt and evolve. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Do you think AI will steal our jobs, or will it create new opportunities? Let me know in the comments below, and if you want to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out my other videos on AI and robotics.